Hey, good people of the YouTube highways and byways. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigue Arts and More with Tracy. I met a wonderful person on these YouTube streets, and we have been friends for a couple months now. Her name is Rebekah, Touched by Yarn. Very, very sweet lady. She does loom hats and things. And she reached out to me to send me a hat. So I've had the package for a little bit and I need to get this open. It's cold outside now. I need to get this open. I just want to show you all what she does and go check her out. I'm going to put her link into the description. Very nice lady and she does great work. Hold on and I'm going to take you down. Okay, let's open up this package and see my loom knitted, I think it's called knitting, loom knit hat. And I went down that road for a little while with my granddaughter and we started looming, learning how to loom. We didn't finish the project, but we keep working on it, and it's just a long, maybe they're going to be scarves. Now that it's colder, this is usually when I crochet and knit. So perhaps I'll finish that hat and I'll have her finish, or whatever, scarf, whatever it's going to turn out to be. We were experimenting and learning. So this is the real deal. Let's open this up and see what I got here. Don't want to cut the yarn. She even asked me what colors I wanted. And I said greens, and this is just what she has done. I see some beautiful yarn in greens. Okay, let's just start to rip it. Oh, nice. Oh, there's several in here. Wow. So this is the loom knitting. That's nice hats. Really, really cute. It's real nice and neat. That loom, once you learn it and get it together, it is really, really pretty stitch. Looks just like you've used two needles to knit with. So there's more in here. She was sending me a hat. This is two so far. Oh, this is a bigger one, a longer one. Okay, and it's in greens as well. Oh, this is thicker. Oh, she doubled this one. She doubled this one. Nice. Guess you put it on and flip it up. Very pretty. So see how it's doubled on the inside. So I wonder if I can reverse it. Reverse. Very nice. Very nice. So there's more in this package. That was awfully nice of you, Rebekah. And she spells her name Rebekah. Okay, another package. Let's see. Oh, looks like greens as well. Ooh. And they're tight. Oh boy. Wait. Oh my goodness. Rebekah, what are you doing, girl? Look at this. Oh, what we got here? Coasters, maybe? Yeah, these are crocheted. No, these are knitted as well. Like really tight knitted. Yeah, it must be coasters. Those are cute. And they're thick. Or, you know, I can use them to wash my dishes. They're multi-purpose, multi-use. Okay. And look at this hat, y'all. Got me what is this, an elf hat? A Christmas? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. All right. Thank you, Rebekah. Thank you. My granddaughter will love this one. All right, let's try them on, see what they look like. We'll do that one last. Oh, my goodness. So this is the first one that I opened. Cool. So it's airy. This one is airy. It's good for my ears. Okay. Next, this one is thicker. This is the double one. Oh yeah. Okay. So, I don't know. You can wear it like that. You can pull it down, turn it up. Oh yeah, extra protection. Extra ones. I'm in zone 6A. Cold weather. Cute. Oh, and this one, I can turn it inside out. All right. I got on the right attire today, too. All right, let's do this last one. This one is a fun hat. OMG. Okay. How about that? Santa's little helper. Too cute. I can wrap it around, keep my neck warm. Oh yeah, multi-purpose. Okay. I like it. Too cute. I have that long, luxurious hair. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Go check out my girl. She is a sweetheart, as you can see. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Appreciate it. Peace and love, everybody. Have a great day. Love you and toodles. I'm out. I'll keep my hat on. It's not that cold. It's not that cold yet. It's too cute. All right, I'm out. Babbling, Have a great day once again.